Me mo enjoy nyum no mo. Enti quickly no mami tu chemfa ma aboafo mo boan me de ofedi kan Awurade aye ahihye so odwumadie so. Na mwie na me san kama no tumu a enyum na san flow. It's now 3:45. Where you Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM for today, Friday, the 20th of July, 2018. My name is Jerry Justice. The show is produced by Tete Banafo with support from African Nana Bedi there. And my man Kwame Obwa there in the building. I don't know if it's every acopim about 6. Quickly emphasize like I say, ma Jumbo Q. Me patron say so amu promotion. The promotion on me the mood out. Pretty simple and once up the toy Jumbo Q now the I we aduane. Who send the aduane the pie man pum dem so. We use you and patron rap and man ton train. Pack you us okay kabom one do be 100 and what them. I check the akese bebre. It be a bowls, bags, t-shirts, caps near the idea. Your branding come on. Now when you feel 500 quantity and main drone would them be. Ube we need price be the coolers, fans, hampers, refrigerators, and they can come baby. And Obe Basso Ewo Kumase 2 p.m. on the 11th of August 2018. Patron phrase 0244-584-889. Afi 0302 903 3161. The patron sounds no bit me our phrase 0302 269 752. Yemfi National Stadium Farmer Trust Limited. Almost on my healthy link, hair, nails, and skin. Or by Bema skin out to so fair. A woman nails no me chest or more and so I come up. No teams you boo basa and me for you. A free safe for car for fair come up. Omukroya my healthy link, healthy woman. And on there, a boost immune system no ba. Now a mouth fertility no so na ko ye pa. Bema de no kan wa to tat no fa yefunu na akroyi. Afia boa e ma timi nyiche. Na ma o blood so timi flow ye pa circulate kama. Na so benya akomam ya de problem ye dabi bi mo akwam kra. Your healthy link menopause tablet so o. Eno de ye ma me no mo adu ompani fie so ne mo atwa bra no. Kunya bi di mo sa. O how ne amane aye o mo fam wo mo bra atwa bre mu no. Ni nyina eto e betwa kama. E available on Farmer Trust. Pharmacies awdo ni nyina mu. Ona abenya dodo. But pharmacy shops awdo na aka no so no e available. Me pacho Baseline Pharmacy, Kelmet Pharmacy, Ozone's Pharmacy, Milkado Pharmacy, Coffee Chrome Pharmacy, Biotic Pharmacy, Nisi Pharmacy, Art Pharmacy, Ace Cantonment Pharmacy, Sanso and Palmat Pharmacy, Hills Pharmacy, and Fastens Pharmacy. Ahonina, available. If you are not so asleep on your farmer DBS Industries, on my DBS roofing sheet, a board down society, I must say, I wouldn't need trouble. Said the Tiabiano, Oda na wada, because you are too boy saying ye, Color Link Plus roofing sheet, pre-coated roofing sheet are losing content home AZ150. They are called just between AZ30 and AZ50. So just check out the difference for yourself. I think about that, we are bossing their crown. And it's better to be an amount 20-year warranty. Hey, MFD, MPLA of Mpona Campus, a chance in our rasted. Best I cry enjoy 5% discount the account you. Create your account Expenses Road next to Papa Restaurant, Kitan DBI and Casa. That was 0240-844-444. A face 0204-344-561. Factories in Kumasi, Tamale, and our fate Takrade. DBS Industries. Yeah, and the roof experts now. I feel patriotic. And they guarantee Trust Bank some in country star 737 has service no. So say no necro. Simple banking for every Ghanaian. Convenient banking papa. And no two fear no across all night. Now the bank need transactions near there. And no crowd you to me cross BA account. Our mobile phones so star 737 hash. Now they'll follow prompts no kwasa. When you bounce no BA account our wow mobile phone so our brown call banking hall. With me link your account with your mobile money wallet for easy transfers. Paying up a DBM. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Finally, you to check us here from adomonline.com. Honor all the latest feel like Nabeniano. And some beer, Cosmo, Mamuni, and Mamma who was soon now. There's a salt here now can can't see you now. Your crew training now at adomonline.com. Open pictures, new videos, new audios, outdoor, Nina Gua. Names with a one amount for your advert in any adieu. You connected that the whole chess and Masajai. It's just a matter of log on. And I job for as I say, you two chamo area. All right. So once again, good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to your own show, Ofie Kwanso, on 106.3 FM with a time just about 9 more minutes to 4. Yagusuya Koya Nimsa. And then we will be vision Kumawa show no so. So just stay tuned. And then show no from Kranka to Kranka maintenance wakunyaso. And then me jamming naso sa kopim se no nsia be bone afri akọ. What I say? Enya ize. Mania bre papa nam di gina sa no. De se me am afili bia me am afili. Yako. Hey, anyway, obwa. Koda. Hosana. Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Yes, we're cooling over Satan power. 'Cause I ain't cooling more. I'm an overcomer. Yes, we're doing cool more. Over Satan power. 'Cause I ain't doing cool more. See, I'm an overcomer. I say, yes, we're doing cool.
Yes, we're doing cool. Over Satan power. 'Cause I ain't doing cool.
Yes, we're doing cool more.
Yes, we're doing cool. Over Satan power. 'Cause I ain't doing cool. I'm an overcomer.
I'm a dinner. I'm into Hosanna.
Hosanna.
I am for honorable.
Hosanna.
Jesus, Nirvana.
Hosanna.
I am for honorable. Jesus, Nirvana.
Hosanna.
I mean, now I'm born to say
Hosanna.
Jesus, Nirvana.
Hosanna.
Who is this King of glory? He's the Lord strong and mighty. Yes, we're in Kunima. See, I'm an overcomer. Listen, no weapon fashioned against me shall prosper. For the greater one lives in me, yes, he does. Yes, we're in Kunima. See, I'm an overcomer. I say, yes, we're in Kunima.
Yes, we're doing cool.
He has given me victory. He has given me victory. All the days of my life I praise you. Everything that I have now you gave to me, Baba. Lord, I say for your love I'm grateful. Yes, you love me plenty, you came to die for me. Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nissi, I am that I am. Ooh. Oh, I searched around, there's no one else like you. Lion of Judah, you're the man of man. With the man, Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. He has given me victory. and now I'm free. I got me hallelujah, bro. I got my hallelujah, power. Because of Jesus, every day that I got it. Double heavenly blessing, now him I receive. Ah, yeah. God, in your grace and mercy is always to follow me. Yeah. He has given me victory. He has given me victory. God has given me victory. He has given me victory. He has given me victory. Hallelujah.
I want to rewind this song, bring it back one more time for a dear friend of mine. Yes, and a colleague as well. He's more than a brother, you know what I'm saying?
Because of Jesus.
Yeah, you know, you're from different muna. You're different places now in there, at the same workplace, and we've become family. But to be honest, energy no moon in yet. Credit back up can wait free. Oh yes. And you'll be an eye only say I but not Kofi Adom, Mr. Wonderful. Oh, Kofi, because of Kofi bad no for proper that time you want to man. Yes, MP. Now me kind the very first day I Kofi talk the first car. Kofi me transfer na me nyai.
Because of Jesus every day that shut.
Nah.
Double heavenly blessings.
As a way. Nah. Kofi yeah now see women checking 1 2 1 2 1.
Since always they follow me.
Now it do say. Yeah, try can I hands na Kofi tia kan.
Victory.
Hey. Na yezobi. Kofi bi na America. Now I'm so yenko community one mra. And I'm sorry, my mental front now. Kofi Revenue Coffee, you come see a rade. Come to the rade. But I said, I'm your man, you can have it. You're ready. You're ready. But in Piebon, me dreams out of people could do come to you. Kofi Nyamia, and then Kofi to me drive on one gas from here to the coop. So to me driving from here to Kato. Allah. Charlie, happy birthday to you, Kofi Adom. You're such a wonderful man. No wonder you are called Oweni. So one more time, enjoy this one.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
If I try more, send me messages, baby. Both on social media. More, send about my phone so direct. Send me wish you could feel the man when he happy birthdays, mama. No, more doors to do. Mean to Bobo Munia Mudi. It's Munina. Most much of you will be na me beside the Marco Fiat man when you are.
Everything I
Sayalu. Bogalago.
Lord, I say,
happy birthday.
For your love, I'm grateful. Yes, you love me plenty. You came to die for me. Jehovah Rapha. Jehovah Nissi. I am that I am.
Now, information now on say, and then I could fear the man when you birthday. But birthday party, no. Yeah, they share next week Friday. Now you could do or him out here ice bar. At the same time, no. I don't pork party, no, so ever happen or until next week Friday there. Hey, if you pram to bread 12 midday economy. Allah will let you. For him out here ice bar, North industrial area, hono. I don't pork party. If you had my birthday celebration, and the sign of him out here, the 15th anniversary.
He has taken away.
The canning now, Bomo. TBB Abacoso. It's me Friday, the 27th of July, 2018. I want him out here, ice bar.
Because of Jesus,
North industrial area.
double, heavenly blessing.
If I chose East Legon now pay Papa's Pizza Edia. Phrase 0248-820-535 or Spint and Swap phrase 050-291-1720. I feel also a phrase 0266-356-498. Second form some phrase 0560-027-195. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Been to check and see the emotion from Dr. Edu Boateng of Endpoint. Dr. Boateng, Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Hospital.
Let's give him.
Dog me chow we
If Jesus has
I one doctor correct guy pa.
come, let's dance
Just say obon home pa.
down. Because of the
If I chote
every day that shaka.
DSTV entertainment overload no akwanya ngusu ho. If we celebrate till the end of July bosumi e wo mu ye. The 31st of July.
God, your grace
And it's a multi-choice. I introduce you an 18-day open viewing period at the Super Sports channels. Yeah, no, active DSTV customers. And they enjoy our brown into any extra cost.
is giving the victory.
Now, active DSTV customers, you get me enjoy no access various additional case channels. Sabre enjoy holidays with you. Open viewing period, you know. A part of multi-choice for ongoing activities. They rewarded active DSTV and Go TV customers.
God, your grace, amen.
It's when you treat to an exciting television viewing experience of content on higher tier bouquet. Extra cost to be enjoy. So get connected, stay connected, and enjoy the entertainment overload. For further inquiries, phrase 0302 740 540. DSTV. Feel every moment. Where you no tribe. Oh my Jesus.
My Jesus. My Jesus. My Jesus. My Jesus.
Fast like I say, Mark Connoisseur jewelry wipes. Yeah, no, winya beer. And more good day, Nina, who you fair bribia, na yes, they're brand new, no, as a for cry. A simple cry. Your wipes said the name said their wipes there. Now when you are three boys from Latin come and say bear all the paper with jewelry one. A bemana looking brand new. It you say jewelry now cause I try Anna from the beginning or Anna F. But I say show Nina no na if you free near the idea may you cry the Anna makeup since Robert can be. Two bones are free Isaac Dobby. None if any na atiaira. Modern amount Saka Connoisseur jewelry wipes Sibia. What the fan who happen now? Na you who fina, yes, said the Nankwan, yes, I ring and I change the amount. Net to say, I done it brand new. It's for any jewelry shops out on name ne bisa konosua jewelry wipes. And yes, for any City Gold Shop. And now said the boy jewelry shop where Makola Accra. And yes, answer a friend 0244 606 500 and now 0244 531 123. Najin do simple and tietia. And to fool do baby on because of some kind exdo maba menno and I ma de kuku la vivi exdo so no there ha no cry say ohun say obema foforo ene ne yere ada oh enye hwe ase monko I do the memory brain to me as I do chromosomes on no moon cracker now. Remember, Korea also there. You'll be there, they are wrong. So be very wrong, dear. Yeah, and they had it. And then I send me up here. Yeah, no to phone just a police for Tata or Modo. The Tobunya some harassing. Na criminals na nkasa no munim ba bi omo no mko hwe omo mu achi akwa details ni na o sabe kan hai na samu kai banku eba banku flesh bukom banku samu kai no ayi wan po na ebo no basti wa oh, if brutal. I feel not bankuna than Kuku. I feel not, or try they are not in the children. So next time, Wakasa Sade, Wakasa Bukom Banku. Oh, I say Enchebia. I mean, just say very soon. Obonika say, Bibi soon. I just say Enche. Bukom Banku just say Enchebia. Abrante Shatawali Bebodam. Bukomba was a prophet too. Osen Jebi Ashatawale Beboda. Nina Jeje Bye.